Now we put both the seared leg of lamb, butterflied leg of lamb, in the cast iron pan, and we're about to put it in a oven that's been preheated at 375 degrees. This lamb came seasoned already, but seasoning lamb is pretty simple. There's tons of recipes on the internet. I also have a probe, Bluetooth probe, in the lamb, and I will pull it out of the oven once it hits about 140 degrees. And we have it in the oven. And here's the finished product, 130 degrees internal temperature, pulled out of the oven, and I'm going to let it rest in this dish. And this should be medium rare, according to my Bluetooth probe.